Hello guys, welcome back to another blog from HDS Blog English. And now actually the thing is that when I was coming to Ranchi, then I forgot to put tripod in my bag. That's why I have ordered a new tripod, and now I'm going to bring that because delivery boy called me and said come and receive your parcel because he is not able to come here. That's why. And you can see this is my main gate where I live, and now I will go and I will show you the new tripod. Okay, so just be continue with this blog. Due to red signal I have to stop here. You can see I am zooming. You can see this is numbering. It is 66. In camera it is not visible, but 66, 65, 64. When this backward counting reach at 0, then I am allowed to go. You can see I have reached Phiraya Lal Chowk. You can see there is a statue, okay, statue of Albert Ecca. I think this is the statue of Albert Ecca. And now I should call the delivery boy. As you can see, I have taken my parcel and I have a bag, and I have to put this in the bag. But bag is very small and this parcel is very long. That's why it is not coming in bag. That's why I have to put in the bike. This is the Shahid Chowk of Ranchi, and you can see a hand with a masal. So now I am going to home. In the way I have bought some files and ruler as well as pin for my assignment work. Now you can see the Morabadi Maidan from the road, and now I will show you the bazaar, market, biggest market of Morabadi area. This is, and now you can see they are farmers and some small businessmen. They are selling vegetables in the right side. Now I have reached to my home. Actually there was very big crowd, and also some noise were there. That's why I couldn't make a large video, means long video in the town, means in the road. Now I will unbox this tripod and I will show you that how is this. And actually its price is 866, and I bought it from Flipkart. Okay, so let's first time I am making an unboxing video. Okay so let's see. I am opening rear camera. Okay, now I will open it with my single hand. Okay, this is the new tripod. I will use leg also. Yes, I should throw this. And now this is my new tripod, and you come out. This is packed with some bubbles cover. In the childhood I like to brush it like this. You can hear some chat chat and it is very entertaining. And now firstly I unwind this, then I will start. Now you can see the new tripod, and this is quite good. Let's see. And this is the mobile holder. I will set this in the top and I will make my video. So let's check that how height it cover. Now you can see the height of this tripod, and this is very heighty. Actually it is good. Actually the old tripod was very short, and that's why I feel very uncomfortable with that tripod. But now I will feel better with this because it is, I think, 6.9 feet. Now you can see the mobile holder, and it is not well because I feel it is very cheap product, but also tripod is very good. Okay, tripod is very good, but mobile holder is not good. And behind you can see my whiteboard. You can now see in the I want to focus in the base side. Okay, this is very thin, and I don't think that it will go long, but let's see what happened. It is very thin and it is not strong, but whatever it will happen, let's see. And overall tripod is good. When I was in Sahid Chowk, then I purchased this ruler, scale, and this stapler pin, and also some files, because I have to make my assignment. That's why. And now it's all for today. I hope you liked this video, and just comment that how was my unboxing. I know unboxing was not as good as other YouTuber, but whatever I could do, I did. And just comment that how was this vlog. And till now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then go to subscribe button and also press the bell icon, so that whenever I will upload new vlog, then you will get notification. And if you are from Hindi medium, from JCRT, then you go and subscribe HDS tutorial, because I am a regular in HDS tutorial. Okay, so that's all for today. Just share this video, and thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.